Hi, this is Naile. I'm the customer support manager, and today I'm gonna show you how to connect your Instagram profiles to Asters. So once you log in, you arrive to your dashboard, and then on the upper right corner you can find the button connect. You just click that and then you end up in your social channels, and here the first one is Instagram. Then you just click on connect social, and this opens a new page which is asking you to connect using your Facebook credentials, which is correct because you can only connect Instagram profiles that are either business or creators, and this is asked by the official API from Meta. So that's why that if you have a business or a creator profile, you have also a Facebook page connected to it. So that's why mainly is asking you your Facebook credential. I'm also gonna recover my password, and then I just paste it here, and then I click on here. Then from here it's gonna ask me, do I want to continue as Naila Ciccone, which is me, so yes. And then here you can see all Instagram profiles account that I manage. Here it would be better to always select everything and click on going on. The same for the pages, giving to Meta or to Facebook and Instagram all the permissions. Since once we select everything, we arrive here, which if you have, if you manage 20 profiles or like different Facebook pages, you will see them all here, and then you can select the one that you actually want to connect to Asters, or all of them if you want them all. In my case, I want to add them all. This once I go on, then it will ask me to assign the profile to a workspace. There is a specific article about how a workspace inside Asters work. So if you already know how it works and you already created your workspace, then you can just go here and select it. Otherwise, if this is the first time you're trying to connect a social profile, it's okay to leave it to your personal, which is the default one, and then you can always change it in a second moment once you get to know better how Asters works and how it can be organized in workspaces. Then I go here and click on confirm, and here it is. My profiles have been successfully added, and here I can see them. Otherwise, if I go back to my dashboard, here also I see that I have 2 profiles connected. So I hope this was useful. You can always find me here in the chat. This is me, or you can write me at support at asters.ie. Yes, sorry, well, the first time I'm trying to say it in English. Yeah, that's all. So for anything, you can always contact me, and I wish you a great day.